Good morning to you from the Safety Trade Crew. Good morning to everyone. I don't think anyone's here. Good morning, everybody. Anybody here? Don't care if you are. Let's see, what do we got to do? Let me get my YouTube videos set up. Good morning, bright and early. And we on a roll. It was on last night. It was on this morning. It was on the night before. Can't be stopped. Okay, yeah, well, we can, but thank God for another day. Never know when that won't happen. So thank God for another day above ground, another day of health, happiness, spiritual closeness with you. Thank you for another day of all of my loved ones being together, all of us being really happy. This little prayer I say in the morning. So appreciate it. Appreciate each breath God gives us. Recording date. And we have to put a little words up here. In a fast con live trading. What's today's date? I don't know. 374 pips though. 117.24. And it is Wed. I might be out this evening too, by the way. Early evening. Wednesday. Theforexsafetytradesystem. We're going to go over the use, and then I'm going to do some extra special teaching for you guys today. So let's have some fun with that. I am not live on TikTok this entire week because I was banned because we started talking about property taxes. Yay. If I can get more than 2 thumbs up with 16 of you watching, that'd be awesome. Good morning, LT. Good morning, Golden State Fines. Good morning, Jason. Good morning, Shash. And Shash, I owe you something. We must put Shash. Did it all taken care of. Good morning, Shash, and thank you for emailing us, my brother. Good morning, Mr. C. Good morning, Dr. Gary. Good morning, Linda Brown. What's up, Linda? Good to see you this morning. And you too, Chris. Good morning. No more hate speech. Fuck that. It's still wrong that property taxes are even in existence. I learned my lesson. Of course, we're not on TikTok. Over 200. Oh, nice. 200 pips. I'm already standing, but you got a standing, clapping ovation. Awesome. Good morning. I'm 200 pips. Fucking insane. That is fucking insane. The average professional trader makes 10, so you just did that in 20 trading. You just made Golden State Fines 200 pips. What it would take an average professional trader a month to do. 1 month to do. Sound is wacky. Oh no. Let me try to fix that for you. Is that any better? I'm in a fast car. Unfortunately, usually the sound's perfect on, but not here. Off a 15-minute buy. We'll take a look at that trade for you. Nice Golden State Fines. Everyone understands that I and anyone associated with channels are not financial advisors. Just like everything I say and do, this is all just for fun and educational purpose. You will have to validate trades. You will have to enter your own demo trades. Just as I do. I am a financial advisor, not financial advice. you need to seek professional advice. I do not provide I'm in a fast car. Personal investment advice. I am not qualified licensed investment advisor. All information found here, including any ideas, opinions, views, predictions, forecasts, commentary, suggestions, or stock picks expressed or implied herein are all for informational, entertainment, or educational purposes only and should not be construed as personal investment advice. I will not and cannot be any actions you take as a result of anything you read, hear, see, hear. Okay, you read, hear, or see here. Oh, the here part that confused me. Conduct your own due diligence or consult a licensed financial advisor or broker before making any and all investment decisions. I can only demo money unless otherwise noted. I am just a social media influencer. Please visit my store to buy my social media influence stuff. Any investment advice, trades, speculations, or on the basis of any information found on this YouTube or TikTok or website or any other channel expressed herein are committed at your own risk, financial or otherwise. These channels reflect my views, ideas, and opinions. They are not affiliated with any broker, dealer, or registered investment advisor. No representations or warranties are made with respect to the accuracy or completeness of the content of these channels, including any links to other sites. The links provided maintain their own respective organizations and are solely responsible for their own content. All information presented herein is provided as is without warranty of any kind expressed or implied. Good morning, Nadal. If y'all understand all that Lego jumbo mumbo shit, please say yes if you understand I am not a financial advisor. Good morning, Robel. And then we'll get going with everything. I got him. Thank you guys. We're out of here with that shit. I have a trade open. It's been open since 112. It was a sell. It was a 0.50. It was US 30. So I really have about 376 pips on this trade right now. And that would be US 30. I have a 336 trade open. This is my in. Also off of a 15-minute entry. And there it is. What's shaking, Rayshawn? Good morning, Coach. I moved into my new flat thanks to your sister. Wow. What's up, Billy Raymond? Let's talk about Billy for a second. Billy has been on my live, called in more than once. Good morning, Larry. Stuck at work at the moment. Love you all. Yay. Thank you for stopping in, Billy. Congratulations, Billy, on getting his own flat. When he says he's moving into his new flat thanks to your system, I will start posting again very soon. Stuck at work in a moment. Love y'all. Billy Raymond, if you guys have not done it yet. Ooh, 19. Wow. Go ahead and take a look at Billy's story. Type into YouTube search Billy story motivation or something. Any rate, it's his YouTube video, but I'm going to give you a summation. Matter of fact, holy fuck. Let me do it right now. See if we can find it. Come over to here. Go over to this. Let's see what happens. I wasn't. If Billy's story doesn't, nothing will. Okay? Very first thing that pops up. This is Billy's story. I know we're not going to listen to 2 hours of it, but let me see something. I do believe I'm in a fast car. We have it right here. Anyway, I'll tell you all the highlights of what he did. All right, damn it. All right, well, that's Billy's story, and I suggest each and every one of you listen to this. Okay. Currently up 3,000 on my challenge. Nice Golden State finds. All right, Billy Ray Mon Raymond's story. That's this thing right here. And I'm taking the time to bring this up and go over this with you because listen to what happened to him. He ended up homeless and living out of his car. He took his last few dollars. He bought the safety trade system. He then listened to his training. He then followed the rules exactly. Okay? Now, that doesn't sound impressive, does it? But Billy was homeless. He had no internet. He had no computer. Billy had no internet. Billy had no computer. How did he, you may be wondering? How could he trade without internet and computer? Billy went ahead, and what did he do? He went after hours to a library. Good morning, Mike Moyhan. And he went to a library after hours because he knew somebody there, a friend, and he used the computer's internet and the library's internet and the library's computer after hours. And then he rewatched his training video, which are done on Mondays at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And he rewatched his training video 50 times a week for 4 weeks while he's homeless, living out of his car with no internet and no computer. Then what did Billy do? Billy opened up an account, and I know it was MetaTrader 4 back in the day when they were still accepting. Well, he's not American, British. Anyway, he opened up an account with $50. And he turned $50. Listen to this, everybody. Billy, I'm telling you Billy Raymond's story. Billy turned $50. This gentleman's story right here. He turned $50. Billy Raymond's story right here. It only has 67 likes. That's an embarrassment to mankind. He took his $50 and he turned it into, today he just told us, he's moving into the new flat he bought from his $50 in a safety trade system. He went from homeless to buy his own place. He went from homeless and only having $50 to trade with and bought his own internet, bought his own computer. He went from homeless, having no computer and internet, using my system, and only because of God, and I give all the God the glory, right? And now he has bought his own place. He has his own computer. And I don't know how much he has this time. I'm sure it's way more. But at one time, he had his $2,000 personal trading. He had a $9,000 trading account. Can you imagine from $50? Can you imagine what Billy has achieved? Every one of you, almost every one of you, not homeless. You're not down to your last $50. Well, how much do I start trading with? You know how many questions Billy asked me? 0. You know how many problems he gave me in the Discord? 0. You know how many emails I got from Billy? 0. You know what Billy did? Shut his fucking pie hole. What did Billy do? He shut his pie hole. What did he do? He followed the rules of the system, and he turned $50 into 2,000 personal savings, into his own home, into his own internet, into his own computer, into $9,000 trade account. And today he just told all of us he's into his own flat. Please take a moment. And every one of you is amazing. Thank you, Dr. Harry. What I've done yourself in the mirror and say, eat all of that off of $50 in my system and God. And that's it. That is it. Anthony Villabosa. The house at Is that not just amazing success story I've ever heard, at least with the safety trade system? But I give it, are you kidding me? That should be so inspirational, should inspire each and every one of you, and make some of you look in the mirror hard. Say, hey, I wonder why I blew hundreds and thousands of dollars using the system. Why am I not? Because you don't follow the rules. Can I get a 7 that's amazing and inspirational, or a 9 if it's not? Because I really like to see some 9s so I can see who has no heart. Billy's story is just amazing. You should take the time and listen to it. It's not a fast car. I wonder if I'll get to 400 pips today. I think I will. I'll take a look at it. Thank you, Nadal. One person. Wow, tough crowd. Okay, well, I'm up 184 pips. Let me run through my things. That speaks a lot of who's listening to this show. Embarrassing. Almost makes me not want to continue. Almost makes me the fucking thing right now and not come on. Oh, there's a few more 7s. What's up, PK? Good morning, PK. Good morning, Sandro. Good morning, Mike Moyhan. I've got a fast car. I got a fast car. I got a fast car. What's up? Wonderful this morning. How are you? Chris Millen, still sound messed up. Really? Well, son of a bitch, I ain't got nothing else running. I got a fast car. I've got a fast. Let me go over to my restream and see something. Nope, that looks good too. Hold on. I'm gonna get it out of here. And you know, I've got a fast car. Make sure the mic is plugged in correctly. Got a fast car. I've got a fast car. I've got a fast. This ought to be fun. I've got a car. I've got a fast car. I'm gonna get it out of here. By the way, it's 19 degrees outside here. 19 fucking degrees. Oh, shit, that's cold. I know not for some of you, but it is for us. All right, is the sound even there, and is it any better? Good morning, Raider Trey. Morning, Ore. Good morning, Amy Lou. Thank you, Amy Lou. To you too, and God bless you. For real, and I really hope things go good for you. Chris Milne, is the sound any better, Chris? I'm gonna be the one for you. Sounds way better. Oh, nice. 8 degrees. Damn it, Raider Trader. Wherever my brother and sister live up in Ohio somewhere, they were -2 yesterday. Fuck that shit. We'll only have cold weather here maybe a week a year. They have cold weather for like 8 months out of the year. Raider Trader, you missed the motivational story of Billy's story. All right, enough talk. Let's get to this and let's start making some money this morning. Oh wait, GBP Odds, hold on. He said he's a 15-minute buy stop. Let's go over to 15-minute land. One of our members made $3,000. There she blows. There it is. Sniper entry. Let's be clear on something. GPB. Sniper entry. Oh my gosh. Did you get the mother load? Did you get the golden ticket? You did. You got the golden ticket of Willy Wonka land. What am I talking about? Look at what he did. Who was that? I got to give really good props for this. Listen to this person. Who was this? Who did the greatness? Good morning, Kev. What's shaking bacon, Billy? Golden State finds OC. Golden State finds OC. William. What's up, William? I don't think I ever knew your name. Yep. William found the lead. And this is what it is. You can't miss this when it occurs. Listen to me. You want to be like someone, be like Billy. You want to be like someone, be like William. Well, I like to say the full name, though. It's great, Raider Trader. For honestly, you should listen to it. It's fantastic story. Billy went from homelessness to he just moved into his new flat. So let's just put it that way. Now, listen, this is fucking too amazing. You want to know how to trade? Look what he did. Dude. Look at this. 4 little things. Wow. I am so proud of you, William. Honest to God. I love it when my members succeed. I love it. I am so happy right now that you didn't get lucky, right? Right, Golden State finds. No, he said it was a buy. So William did say it was a buy stop. So watch. All he did was this. Listen to me. This is how Willie just made $3,000 this morning. Listen to me right now. I've got a fast car. I'm going to be out of here. So how can we take you seriously? You're singing. I don't know. Just call me the singing fucking trader. Watch. This is what happened. Rule number 1, and we're going to go over our rules. It went from high to low, blue lines up high, and compared to what? Well, to 2. The pink line's low. That's the first thing he saw. Then he saw our logo. There it was. Then what did he see? 3. Our blue line back on the 15-minute, and it was a buy stop. And then our logo was here. That's it. That is it. Is that what you saw, William? Yes or no? I've got a fast car. I'm going to see what it is. This is amazing. I am so happy for him. He found the golden trade. Yes. I found the golden trade. I don't know if we can do a call on this morning. I think we can. I just don't have the sniper. Oh, no, it doesn't count then, Golden State. Man, if you had the sniper, wow. The sniper would have made that an absolute. Well, let's just go over it anyways for him. I'll call. I'm having a little difficulty with my speaker on my phone thingy I use that amplifies the call. The problem is it's cheap as fuck and it's not holding the charge anymore. Otherwise, I would have you call in. But I'll go over it for you. It'll be tomorrow or the next day. Maybe I might have to order a new one from Amazon, but it's called the CMISE, CEMISE, and it amplifies the call so everyone can hear it. But anywho, let's get back to the trade. Thank you, William. You saw the number. Nice, William. That's my brother. Thank you, sir, for telling me. So the perfect trade does exist. Well, this is a trade that's right 99% of the time, but I can't give it the 0.99. But of course, it's going to work. It's just a normal buy stop for William. But what makes it special and how he basically, through the hand of God, was blessed by God, because he found the exact time to take this trade. So watch, the very first time that you see the blue line go up and the pink line come down is the absolute best. Let me see how many pips. He said he got 200, right? You must have caught it right off of here. 145. Well, he still caught a shit ton of pips. So this is the trade. Look for this setup. Look for our, where's my drawy tool at? Oh, here it is. Drawy tool, logo, start over, told to come up, retrace, retrace, retrace. Okay, that's that. And then we come over to here, logo, told to come up, over, retraced, retraced, and that's that. Those are the only things. Every one of you should be taking a picture of this. Yesterday, so yes, I understand this, sir. Yeah, you probably were in it from somewhere around this time of, I can't see. 6:45 yesterday is what I was assuming. And if it was, oh, he might have been even from here. Either way, still a fantastic entry and trade. Awesome job, William. Everyone should congratulate William. Everyone should take a picture of this trade. Everyone should take a picture of this screen right now or a short little video. Boom. This is our logo on the sniper. It's an actual normal buy stop. Is now just a confirmation. It's the very first time it happens. I'll go over this trade. I'm going to leave this up for a minute. Can I leave it up? Fuck. I think I can to a point. All right, I'm going to rip through all my... it was second at you, right. That's what I thought, this one right here. And here is what he's saying. So this one, wow. A little early on that one, but that is your 15-minute one. Yeah, that's what he did there. Fill in the gap. But still a perfect trade. I would look at this. I would study this. What's up, Sandro? It is amazing. I would actually do this exact same trade every time you see this. Every time you see this. Got a fast car. I'm gonna do that, do. I'm gonna be a fast car. Do. I've got a fast car. 1, 17, 23. I'm gonna be a fast car. I'm gonna be a fast car. By the way, NQ 5 minutes, the same thing. There you go. I love the 5 minute. We're way 15 right now. But we'll get to it. All right. Let's leave these down here and out of the way. Let me whip through our symbols and then to it. U.S. oil. Here we go. Gonna be a fast. Swap fees aren't bad as long as you're making money. I don't mind holding the trade overnight. I really don't. All right. 1 minute. Well, you knew after going up like that, it's going to come down back to its blue line. Let's see. U.S. oil, 1 minute. It's going to come up, arch up like it is, come down. 1 minute sell stop. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop. U.S. oil. It's got a black. Gonna come after you and be there too. 15-minute sell already was. Let's see. 1 hour, half hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour. Nope. 4 hour daily. Daily, 4 hour daily. And it not only went back to the blue line and went below it, to the weekly blue line, U.S. oil sell. Then it will form a monthly buy. Amazon already did it last night, but we'll do it again this morning for you. Oh, hit 20, hit 20, hit 20, 400 pips. 400 pips on US 30. Sell stop, we hit 20. Wow. Thank you, God. That's fucking amazing. Wow, that's crazy good. All right. 1 minute buy stop to the blue line, Amazon upon open. They're going to cheat and jerk that up. They do what's called option trading, which unless you have a lot of money, you don't get access to. Then it's a 5 minute sell stop for Amazon. And then what is it? And it's a fast car. Nope. Then it is a 1 hour. Nope. It's going to form a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. Amazon, XRP. Come on, little XRP. I want a little excitement out of you. Either up or down. I don't like this 57 to 62 range you stay in. Right. 1 minute. Sell stop. 5 minute. Sell. 15 minute. XRP. 15 minute. Who's going to be the one? Who's going to 15 minute 1 hour? 1 hour, 1 hour? 1 hour, 4 hour. Sell stop. Daily buy stop, weekly sell stop, monthly buy stop, XRP, Ethereum, 1 minute. Told you last night, fucking told you all yet last night, and let me tell you how I knew. Let's go through a fast car, and let's show you what I'm talking about. I have a fast car. All right, this is Bitcoin's crossing. This is what I saw last night. Let me explain to you. Bitcoin, let me slowly explain to you for some of you. Bitcoin and Ethereum are ride or dies. What one does, the other one does. Usually it's Bitcoin that leads, but not always. Bitcoin crossed right here, the blue line on the 1 minute. Told you all, told you all, told you all. Can everyone see this? Yes or no? Yes. Sir. Can everyone see that this is a crossing right here where price crossed our 1 minute blue line? Yes or no? Da, 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 da. A fast car. I have a fast car. Who has a fast car? I have a fast car. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna be a fast car. Now watch. When that happens, look at Ethereum. It was its blue line. They gave you from here to here for free. All this extra shit is a bonus. Does everybody see how at the blue line, when Bitcoin crosses 1 minute, there it is. And I gave you a scanner for those of you who have the sniper where you can change the symbols. You can change it to Bitcoin and Ethereum. And when you see one of them change, go check the other to see where it is. Everybody see how they gave us free money on Ethereum yesterday on the sell? And then some, 7s or 9s. I'm going to have a fast car. There's 32 of you watching. There's only 3 people answering. You know what? Fuck the other 30 of you. If I don't get more than 3 people answering me, I'm closing down this live. How about that? How about that? I'm just going to leave you all. I don't need to be here fucking ever. I'm here to help you all out. Fuck out of Dodge if you're not going to listen. I'm not going to listen to you either. What's up, man? Good morning. 7s if you understand this, or 9s if you don't. And I better get more than 3 people to respond. If I don't, I'm closing down the live right now. See you all, mofos. I'm out the fucking door. I don't have to be here at 5 and go do my lifting. I can go do my breathing exercises. I can go do everything I need to do. I can go have some fun. I can go talk to Keith about coding the next step. Oh, that's better. Swear to God. Larry Cooper says driving to work and he still wrote it. Larry did. I mean, come on, peeps. I don't care about liking it. I'm not even asking you guys to do it anymore. I figured you lazy asses ain't doing it. Fuck off. But I am teaching you something. I need responses. So that's all. That's how Ethereum rode. That's what it did. And they gave us that. Yes. And I called that last night at around 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for y'all. Oh, I got a fast car. You've got a fast car. And I know some of you hate my singing. I get it. I get it. It doesn't matter. What's right is right. And that was an easy call. 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. Ethereum. 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. Bitcoin. Okay, now let me go back to Ethereum here. What an easy call that was. 5 minute. Oh, it's a 5 minute blue line even. That was even easier. 15 minute buy. Hold on. Ethereum. I've got a fast car. All right. Ethereum. 1 minute buy. 5 minute sell. 1 hour, 4 hour buy. Daily, it's going to come down. Daily, like I told you. Buy. Well, technically it's going to drop, so I can't call it as buy. Weekly sell. Monthly Ethereum. Bitcoin. Here we go with Bitcoin. 1 minute buy. 5 minute sell. 1 hour buy? No. 1 hour, 4 hour sell. Daily, 4 hour daily buy. No. Daily buy Bitcoin. Weekly sell Bitcoin. Monthly buy Bitcoin. Been calling Bitcoin buy since May of last year at $26,100. GBP JPY. 1 minute. We've already gone over these. It's a buy stop, but it's actually a pretty good buy stop. It's already been played out. It's up 200 pips over the last couple. I wouldn't trade GBP JPY, so I'm not going to call it. UDCHF right here, USD CHF is the complete opposite of EUSD. So whatever I call for ERUSD will be the opposite. Sell stop 1 minute. EURSD. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna have a fast car. I'm gonna have a fast car. 15 minute, 1 hour sell stop. EURUSD. 4 hour daily buy stop to the daily blue line. Weekly sell stop EURUSD to the monthly blue line. Gold and Emnar Hills. Gold. Let's see gold. Ricochet. 1 minute buy. Ricochet. Gold. Back to the blue line. Ricochet. It's glorious. And I always thought it was real. And it wasn't. Gold. Ricochet. Back to the blue line. Gold. 5 minute. 15 minute sell. Or are we at a 30 minute sell? Whoopsie. We might be at a 30-minute, 1 hour sell to the 1 hour blue line. What it's going to do is it's going to arch up, come up to here, hook, and then do a ricochet back down. You want me to draw that out for you? Let me draw out our logo for you and see what you're going to do. I have a fat ass car. I have a fat ass car. I'm going to do my ricochet. It's going to come down, hook, come back up, and then go back down like that. Okay, horrible drawing. That's what it's going to do. Kev, I made 2,000 profit from starting to get a hang of it. Started trading 4 months now. I'm a pro. Thank God for this is meant to be what I found the system. Thank you, Jason, for sharing that. Congratulations, Jason. Everyone should congratulations, JHSMB1, Jason. $2,000 in your prop firm. Fantastic. Awesome job. 1 minute ricochet on a buy. Gold. 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop. Ricochet back down to the 1 hour blue line. Buy on gold. SPX. You know, I think my calls for the sells on SPX and those 30 were a bit premature. I mean, the buys. Yeah, I don't think they've done any one of them that did that overnight. That's okay because you don't make the of getting those, but it's interesting. NAS, yeah. NAS, 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. I'd look for all three of them to start doing that soon, probably before 9:30 this morning. I do have at least till 9:30, that's what I call this night, but we'll see if I'm right or not. And then I'd be looking for those other buys longer term. Congratulations again. Fantastic news. I'm going to be the one who's going to be the one for you. I'm going to be the one. Da, 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 da. Stupid news at 7:30. We'll be way off before then. Usually they don't release any good news at 7:30. Like, I mean, news that'll even move the system at all. Just follow the rules. And whatever you do, don't trade the news unless you have a lot of experience with the system. All it is another buying opportunity. They'll move it up wrongly and you get back in again. That's all they do. All right. Let's take a look over here. Let's go how I do it. This is how it works. If you're thinking about to get to the system and you're new or rewatching this or seeing this for the first time, you go over the safety trade. What happens there? You buy the system. You can also sign up for alerts or you can get a one-on-one with me. I prefer not to do that. So just buy the system. $575 for the year. It is a yearly charge. You do have to pay that every year. A lot of you are up for renewals. A shit ton of you. We've got a lot of people coming up for renewals over February, March, and April over the next several months. In order to renew, you just go right here and buy the system again. That's all you do. There is no maybe, could be, would be's. You buy the system for $575 and get it on TradingView. We can't control, on a side note, we can't control that the people who run MetaQuotes, who run MetaTrader 4, are discontinuing everything from MetaTrader 4. So they're no longer going to just say, we can no longer put the charts on MetaTrader 4 because that's what they were coded for. So it doesn't matter. There's nothing we can do about it. I hope we're clear about that. TradingView indicators, anyways, we have a guy, Metalmine, and one other fella in our group in the Discord who will make your charts look exactly like mine anyways. Matter of fact, I'll be using those when I go back. Okay, system right here at safetytrade.com. Look, guys, I'm getting better about promoting this. I keep forgetting to do it. Now I've been doing it like 3 days straight. Woohoo. So after that, after you purchase it, you get a type form. And the type form will walk you exactly what to do. Pretty cool. All right. And then you'll be scheduled to get your training. So if you bought today, you can easily be ready for your training on Monday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. When you get your training at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, then you can attend any advanced training at 2:15 the same day, Monday Eastern Standard Time. So you can get double the training up. And I do teach those live. It's me teaching those. It isn't someone else, and it isn't video based. I teach you live. Okay, good morning, D Nice. Now, this is the type form you'll be getting. Whether or not you have the signals or not, this exact rules are going to be updated to everyone. So please listen. These aren't, when it says the signal rules, only the first slide, the first 2 slides are regarding the signal. After that, it applies to everybody. What is a signal? We have a new signal system. It hasn't called out any trace because there was none. I hope you all understand that, by the way. Let's get a little pause here again. Side note, again, I do this all the time. The 4 signal call was correct. We had 4 signal calls last week, 4 for 4, 100% accurate. Even more importantly, there's been no signal calls this week, so there's no wrong calls. Think about that. The AI, right, that we're using has had 0 mistakes. It never called the wrong trade and got suckered into the wrong one. How many of you here can look in the mirror and say that you haven't made a mistake? Well, AI hasn't made a mistake yet. It will, I'm sure. It's only a little computer thing, right? But it hasn't made a mistake this week. Have any of you been perfect this week and last week? So for 2 weeks in a row, our signal service has been 100% correct. And there'll be a mistake. I know it's coming. It's only a matter of time, whatever. But over the last 2 weeks, it's been perfect. Have you been perfect? Have any of you been perfect the last 2 weeks on every trade you did take or did not take? I'm going to go ahead and say that's a big negative. Yet our signal service is correct. There's tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. I'll go over it later. Good morning, Bob Uten. Good morning, Bob. I'll have a fast car. So the very first thing you get, it says welcome. These rules will be updated, right, Larry Cooper? These rules will be updated from time to time. Keep checking them, and boy, do I update them. Because you never know when our safety trade signal AI will see a trade, right? You just keep your email handy, but we're improving upon that. I can't believe I have to write this out, but the email you receive is the alert. Please do not look any time stamped, your computer time. None of it matters. Just know that the email you receive the alert. As soon as you get that, you go to your rules and verify the trade. How often will signals be formed? Well, 4 times last week and 0 times this week so far. On average, I would say probably once every week or 2 you'll get a signal or so, and this week has been none. Please note, we're going to be switching from this email alert to score system to the Discord. So let me show you what a Discord is. I had no idea what a fucking Discord was. It was funny. I still really not that good with it. All right. You were going to have in your Discord tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 rooms. You won't see these. You'll only be assigned. Tier 1's $150 a month, and you'll get up to 5 signals. Tier 2 is $250, and you'll get up to 10 signals. Tier 3 is unlimited. You'll get every signal ever made and then some. With tier 3, this is what the signals look like. Right here. It'll pop up. So when you have your Discord on your phone and you only have this room, I forgot what they call it. Whatever the fuck they call it, this Discord by itself on your phone, and you turn on your notices for your phone, the only Discord alert you'll get is when there's a possible trade. It'll say the safe trade signal is announcing a possible trade. Attention, could be a buy stop. Look for it, go to your rules, and then, of course, the legal disclaimer. So that's what we're switching to. Probably by next, we'll be into that as a guess. Okay? So that's what it means with the Discord, what we're heading over to. Good morning, Caleb. This is an example of it. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. I drive a fast car. All right. Now, once you receive the signal, this is the rules that apply to everybody. You must verify this trade. It is imperative. Do not take the trade. This is exactly how you verify the signal, i.e., this is how you trade the system. You receive a buy on the 1 hour chart. Verify that there is a high sniper blue line. Yep. Number one. Number two. By high sniper, it means it's at the top. Must have the pink, must be at bottom, at the bottom. So there's our rules. As we do it, it has been done. This is GBP, JPY at the bottom 1 hour. Okay. The very first time this happens is the best. Very first time it happens is the best. Just only trade this fucking trade and you cannot lose. I don't understand. So I'm giving you the trade every day and you guys still trade. Why is the 1 minute missing? Why is the 5 minute missing? Why is half hour missing? Why is the 15 second? Yes, I have people trading the 15. Why is the 15 second missing? What the fuck are you talking about? As a beginner, until you get good with your trades, you should only be in the 15-minute 1 hours. Or technically, I'm switching that 1 hour, 15 minutes. So this is the 1 hour, 15-minute trade. This is the 1 hour part of that. Verify there is a logo. Let's take a look. I have no idea why it's a clearer picture, Bob, but thank you for the positivity. Bob is always super nice. Told to come up, retracement, and that's our logo. What logo, some of you might be asking? Let me show you because, you know, it's so complicated. Why is everything so damn complicated? This logo. This is the green arrow up. This is the red arrow down. Not only is it the coolest fucking logo in all of trading, completely badass, it actually is the only way we trade. Sell stops, buy stops. JSMB, another $300. You go, Jason. Love it. Congratulations, Jason. Another $300 made. If Jason can do it, you can do it. If Bobby can do it, you can do it. Right? If Robel can do it this morning, you can do it. Yes, I'm talking to each and every one of you. All right? So there's only, you verify things on the 1 hour first. If it verifies, okay, and it tells you exactly what to do, you should change your candles if you want, blah, 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 okay? And there's a video showing you what to do. Then you move on to the 15-minute. This is exactly how you do it. Step 2. For example, if you see a buy stop, go on to the 15-minute charts. Make sure the opposite is occurring. So let's do that. Here we go. Oh, nice. Holy fuck. Let me see. Oh, hell yeah. We're up to 410 pips myself. You got a fast car. Look at that shit, mofo, over the last 2 days. Fuck me. Woo. Okay, here we go. Step 2 says go on the 15. Make sure that the blue line is low. It is. I've got a fast car. Oh, sorry. And this is going to be, well, technically we can go there or there. I'm sorry, high. Number 4, is there a sell stop in this case? Sorry, we're doing the opposite of what it's saying. My bad. And there is. Let me put it right here. Red, 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 green, red, red. Better yet, red, 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 green, green. This is your Bach break. Bach break. Went down, and went down. So those are all. Oh my God. Hold on. I've got a fast car. Would help if I was on the right time chart. Well, it works on one. It works on any time frame. I'm just teaching you the 50 because it's for beginners. Sell, stop, and a fill in the gap. I'll put it here anyways. Watch. Blue line high. Red, red, red. Green, red, red. Sell, stop. Yesterday. Right. I'm gonna go over to GPGPGOY. Oh my God, that's a plus. Oh my God. So I'm so tired. Watch this. It'll be a little different now. There we go. Pull back. Buy stop. It works buys, it sells, but damn, that was the wrong thing. This is a 15-minute GBBJPY on the top. Pull back. Buy stop. Boom. There it is. Oh my God. Whew. Okay, a little tired. So that's step 2. I've got a back on. Who's going to walk you through here? Now, is the logo formed also? Verify there's a logo and verify it dipped below. Same exact thing could be done right here. So we'll just do it right now. Price started below. Price came up. Re-challenged. Up she went. This is some things I'm going to teach you guys, though, for a second. We'll delve into this for a second. What's up, Gladix? 15-minute, 1-hour sell cap. I don't know. I'll take a look at it in a minute. Not right now. In the middle of teaching. Not teaching well, but trying. Watch. You could. This is what you want to see. This is the perjury. GBBJPY, 15-minute. Good morning, Joe and Cindy. See this right here? Look at this. When you see this, when it goes down into this channel right below the red line, right in this channel, this is perfection. I'm telling you, this trade on GBBJPY is perfection. And Williams caught it, and he made all his. I mean, this is just as good as it gets. You need to really pay attention to that buy stop trade, okay? It's literally textbook. Verify there is a buy stop form, at least 2 out of the indices, and how we trade. You don't have to do that on, obviously, GBP, JPY, gold, or anything like that, because you don't have the option to verify. If both steps 1 and 2 are met, then place your demo trade, buy stop wherever it is on the lowest of lines. I'm not going to get into that. Take profit. You open up 2, let 1 run. The runners can compound a trade. And I haven't had a runner in probably 2 or 3 weeks now, but this is a runner. When you're up 400, over 400 pips on a trade, this is a 0.05, 20 grand times 2 is 400. 400 pips on a trade. When you're up 400 pips on a trade, you have a runner you want. You want it to go, go, go gadget for a long time. Okay? Stop losses, put it at the pivot point. If you don't understand it, it's explained in the video. GA is my runner, right? Isn't it feel good to have a runner, William? Good morning, Joe and Cindy. Gladix. I'll get to gold in a minute. Say you made a wrong trade, which we all do from time to time, right? Frida. You type in first ever signal, and it's a winner, Frida. It happens to be our first ever trade, and it was a winner. It came on as a guest because she did 90% of the things wrong, but she was a good sport about it. And I was able, good morning, Joe Biga. And I was able to go ahead and go over things with her and help her through it. This is the best training video for my system ever created. And it's right here. Go to YouTube, type in first ever signal, Frida, F-R-I-E-D-A, and you'll see this video. Watch this video and you will absolutely understand what's going on. I drive a fast car. Out of here. Okay, so that's if you ever do a wrong trade, watch the video. Some do's or don'ts. You have to understand that the safety trade system sniper add-on keep you out of almost all the wrong trades. If you don't have the sniper, you need to get it. I will never trade without it. Only trade the best out of the 3 that you see, by the way, but that's just a gimme. Trading rules in general. Well, specific, I guess, but in general for you guys. Go over these. Okay. Trading rules for beginners. First thing I do in the morning, get up, thank God. Second thing I do is lift weights and do all my physical exercises. Third thing I do is I look at the H&H scanner. Fourth thing I do is I reread my rules over and over again. I'm literally doing it with you right now. That's how important it is. Legal disclaimer, blah, blah, blah. Okay? So that's that. So that sounds like a lot, but let me show you how easy to do this is. You can be done with getting everything done in a matter of everything on those rules can be done in minutes. Sell stop all 3 indices to the 5-minute, 15-minute NAS blue line. How do I know that? Look. Why does it fucking do that every fucking time? Hold on. Wow. Hold on. Let me try again. I've got a fast car. You got a fast car. You got a fast car. I've got a fast. Let's take a look. Literally. You see anything weird? Red, 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 red. The M15 isn't just blue line on NAS. Play 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute sell stop till you see this flip. What is this? H&H scanner. The H&H scanner stands for horseshoes and hand grenades. It's a blue line scanner. What does that mean? We're scanning all these time frames. And matter of fact, this is going to be upgraded for everybody, right? H&H upgrade. It's going to be upgraded for people who are on TradingView. It's going to be upgraded here in the room. What you're going to see is 15-second, 30-second, and 3-minute added in, plus 4-hour and daily. At any rate, the scanner's getting updated, okay? Now, what do you look for? This is just amazing. In this case, it's trading, is it above or the blue line on US 30? If it's below, it's red. If it's above, it's green. It's below it on the 1 minute on all 3 indices. We trade all 3 indices as one symbol. On the 5 minute, it's 2 out of the 3. Take a look for this one. Now, how do we know it's going to reverse? Because the 1 minute green. And then this will turn to green. Then that will turn to green. Then your reversal has started. Then you look for buy stops. This scanner is priceless. And the scanner was given by BNI to each and every one of you who are in the scanner rooms, which we're going to go over here in a second. And it was given to everybody who bought the sniper. We gave it to each and every one of you for free. And it's really $500 a month. And it's really priceless, to be honest with you. Made $1,300 while sleeping. Normally don't do that. Took the 15-minute blue line. Nice. Bob Oot made $1,300. Bob, I'm so proud of you. Yay. Nice. Good morning, Joe Big. Congratulations, Bob. And William has a running at Goring. Good morning, Joe and Cindy. We'll look at for you in a second. Wow. Incredible. I've got a fast. I'm going to get out of here. So let's bring this back over here. Who's got a fast car? Always record your sessions. If you record your session with something like Ice Cream Recorder, you should have a different computer open with just NAS on it. A different computer open with just US 30, 15-minute and 1 hour. And then what you should do is record your session or any other trade you're doing, but record it. When you do that, you will turn months into days on your learning curve. You will go from having to take 4 to 6 months to learn my system. You can learn it in a week that way. What you do is record it, rewatch it at a faster speed, pausing it and fast skimming over it as you need to. And then what happens? What? Then you learn in a month. If you do it 30 times in a night, you can learn things in one day. What would take you a month to learn? It's amazing. If anyone's new here, you can speak up, please. I already showed you the website, already went over the title. You have to unlearn to relearn everything, meaning my system is standalone. Those of you who are dumb enough to go ahead and keep trying to use another system with my system will lose every time. My system is standalone. Don't try to combine it. Nothing else works out there. I promise you, I've tried nearly everything. Not everything, because there's all kinds of stupid shit out there. But for 5.5 years, I lost. Trying Fibonacci, trying support and resistance, trying trend line, trying looking to the left, trying ascending, descending wedges, trying volume, VWAP, block trading. It all is a bunch of bullshit, and you lose 99% of the time. Don't believe me, Google it. It'll tell you that you do. I lost, 9 of all of you lose with it. That's why y'all are here. Okay? In order to master my system, in order to become the best at this and know it as well as I do, teach it to 5 to 10 people. You'll master it. Doesn't mean you have to buy it. I'm not telling you to buy 5 or 10 of these things. I'm telling you to fucking show what you have to 5 or 10 people and teach it to them. You'll master it. We are stand ambassadors. Actually, we're senior stand ambassadors. They asked us because our stores at that time were top 50, and I think we're top 20. And we are extremely successful at what we do. We make a shit ton of money through Stan. Thank Stan. H&H scanner. Here it is. Just showed you it. Let's go to it again for you guys. This scanner is utterly amazing. I just showed you how to read it. This is the other scanner. Oh, boy. This scanner. And I don't care. This one I don't mind talking about because it's so fucking cool. And I was talking to Keith about it. I said, it's the most technologically advanced scanner. And he goes, it is. Until we come out with the signals. The signals are his greatest work, he said. Not this. But to me, this is just the epitome. There is nothing else like this scanner room. Let me be specific. For $50 a month, you pick 2 of these rooms. You can pick the index metal, you can pick the Forex or the crypto or the stock room. For $50 a month. And don't give me no shit. Oh, $50 is a lot of money. Yeah, okay, it's a little money. But tell me that you don't waste $50 a month. Let me add up how you can waste this. With a gym membership you never use. Going to Starbucks. How about going out to eat? How about going to smoke? How about drinking alcohol? How about any of that shit? And you're telling me you don't waste $50 a month? Bull fucking shit. Instead of wasting $50 a month on that, just buy this. Forget that you're even you have the $50 a month going on, and just look at it from time to time. When you see the buy stop threes or the sell stop threes or whatever, when you see this, you're going to be stunned amazement how accurate it is. This scanner is better than, you guys, I know people get offended when I say this, but I don't give a fuck. It trades better than 99% of all of you. It's trading just like me. It's trading to the blue line. It's trading all 8 time frames. It's trading all indices and gold, right? All that included. It's trading all Forex majors and crosses all at once. It's never stopped scanning. It's like the Terminator. Maybe we should call it the Terminator. Cryptos. Look at it. Buy stop Bitcoin. Buy stop Doge. Look at it. It trades just like me. Look at them all. It's like Christmas. Red, green. Green means up. OMG. How do you know what that is? There's one at a 15-minute sell stop. Buy stop. SS1s and SS is what you're looking for. But all of these still work. It trades all your stocks. So many stocks. I don't even know what the fuck it's 55 of them. Look at them all. Does it work on stock market? Yeah. Stock market's only $300 billion a day. Only. Forex is $7.2 trillion a day. A little bigger. Indices top 10. Forex top 10. Crypto top 10. Look at this. Watch. You tell me, look at it. Ding, 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 ding. We have a winner. BS3, BS3, BS1, BS1, BS1. Look at it. There's a cell down here. So, yep, there's a little cell right there. Look at it. Incredible. The most advanced anything in the history of Forex you're looking at right now. Oh, but other people have other things. They ain't doing this shit. They ain't trading 100 symbols. They ain't trading all 8 time frames. They're not trading indices, Forex, cryptos, and stocks all at once. They're not giving you top 10 rooms for everything. 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute. I would be literally living in the 15-minute one right here on all of these. Wait for the 15-minute, then verify on the 1 hour. That's what I'd be doing. But anyway, so that's that. It's just incredible. Good morning, Clayton. So that we offer. And yes, I'm taking time out almost every time I go live to show you that, because it's very important everybody understands. Am I trying to sell you that? I can give a fucking rat's ass if you spend $50 a month. For me, 50? What? I don't give a fuck. Hello? No, I don't care. Why don't I care? Well, I don't know why I don't care about $50 a month. I don't know why I don't care $50 a month. Whatever. You guys go ahead. He's trying to sell us. Fucking trying to help people. Whatever. We have the scanner rooms. We have a sniper add-on, and we have the signals. The sniper add-on. Oh my God. The most important ever. And Bob made $1,300 off of it this morning. Bob made, what's up, Jay Parker? Good morning, Fly the Sky, Jan Flyowski. Good morning, Clayton. Good morning, Bob. 15-minute blue pink line cross. This is what he's talking about. Not on this particular trade. Probably one of the indices. But on GBP, JPY, all you do, wait for the blue line to come up. Pink line comes down. Blue line on the 15-minute GPY, JPY. It helps them on the right charts. And then there's a buy stop. Look at it. Green, 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 red. Green, green, buy stop. Good morning, Omar. Good morning, Omar. Welcome back. I haven't seen you in a while. So that's what you do. What he means by the cross of the blue line is this right here. He would then put his entry somewhere above that, and then boom, there it goes. Now, Bob wasn't playing GBP, JPY, I don't believe, but that's what happens. This is $90 a month. Yes, I know that's a lot of money. Do I think $50 a month is a lot of money to any of you? Bullshit. It isn't. Do I think $50 a month is a lot of money? Yes, it is. Can't help it. It's worth $15,000 a month. It's that accurate. When you do this correctly and you follow the rules of the sniper, it is so important to have this. I will never trade again without sniper, ever. I can trade the charts blind, by the way, because I've developed a system. I kind of know what it's doing and all that. But I will never trade the charts blind all the way ever again. I will only trade with the sniper. It is that important. Well, I'm making money without it. That's good. Don't change a thing if you're making money consistently. If you're just using the OG system, that's fine. I don't need the scanner. Great. You only get the scanner to learn, or if you're going to trade more than 1 or 2 symbols. That's all the reason why you have scanner. I don't need the sniper. I don't fucking care. Then don't get it. But the sniper is that important. Do you guys understand? I am what? Okay. My words are truth, and I 100% believe that I will never trade without the sniper. Does everybody understand that? Yes or no? Do. Thank you, Jay Parker. Thank you, Joe Biga. The sniper literally shows It makes our system, it downgrades the system to a confirmation. So what you used to think was most important in the world is now the fourth most important thing to trade. Listen to me. It makes my system the most fourth important thing. The actual buy stop itself isn't the most important thing. The most important thing's this. Did the blue line go up? 2, did the pink come down with it? 3, did the blue line come with it here? 4th, is it green, 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 red, green, green? So let me tell you and be clear that those of you who are stubborn and say, well, I don't want it. Fine, don't get it. Don't care. But I'm telling you, if you have my system, you probably should. Probably. You absolutely 100% fucking should get Sniper for $150 a month. It's that accurate. When what Bob was telling, pink crosses the blue, like it did here. I think he was trading GY. What were you trading, by the way, Bob? And I can tell everybody, but right here, when this crosses, then you put your buy stop in, and boom, look at it. Look at, oh, I know William's happy. That motherfucker keeps going up. William made more money, probably several $100s more money this morning. And that's it. This is a perfect buy stop trade. I would take a picture of this right here. I would only trade the 15-minute 1 hours until you actually understand my system. And someone said, some new guy who I don't think even bought, I don't know, whatever. He said, oh, you only scalp. This is a scalping trade? Scalping on the 15-minute? Dumbass. It's 15-minute 1 hours. All beginners should start with. It was NAS. Okay, sell stop. Okay, I'll take a look at that, Bob. Thank you. And I'm pretty sure you said that. I just forgot. Thank you. All right. So I hope you all get how the Sniper is. It's unstoppable. The last service we offer. So we offer scanner rooms. We offer Sniper add-ons. And then we have something called the signals. It's not the signal like that movie where everyone dies. It's actually helping you. We have signal service. The signal service of itself is literally, last week was 4 for 4. I knew that was a blowout week. Usually there'll be 1 or 2 signals a week, but there was 4. It was 4 for 4 with 100% accuracy. Yes, Amy, I 100% agree with you. You will eventually get there, Amy. I will do everything I can to help you get there too. Bree and I will. You know that. All right. In the past, I've scalped and got scalped. Right, trader. I am with you, my brother. Oh, Amy Lou, that's so sweet. No, US 30 and SPX. Okay. Bob, I'm not sure which one of those 3 you did, or did you do all 3? I don't know. Okay, so the signal service is 100%. It won't stay 100%, but it is 100% right now. So we're very proud of it. Tier 1 signal room. In the Tier 1 signals, you get up to 5 signals sent to you a month for $150. 2, which is affordable. It's a little high, but it's affordable. Tier 2 is $250 a month on top of the Sniper, by the way. So you're getting into money here. I understand that's a lot of money. I understand it's not for everybody, but it is what it is. I'm trying to keep the costs down, but you're talking about like Tier 3 for $350 a month. You're talking about a signal service that, Lord willing, will be somewhere in the range of 80 to 100% accurate. So you'll see, and the average professional trader is only 64% accurate. So I'm fully expecting an 80, 85, 90, 95, or 100% win rate on these signals. It is only a computer, so we'll see. It's AI, but you know, we'll see how that goes. But here's your signal service that we offer. Now, we have exciting news. I mean, the most exciting news that I've ever had in the last 2 years on TikTok and 1.5 years on YouTube news. And by far, the signal service is amazing. Obviously, it's as good as you can get. 4 out of 4 winning, right? But we're coming up I have figured out, with only because of God's blessings, have I figured out a holy grail trade. A holy grail trade. This holy grail trade wins every time, except if God doesn't want it to. I.e., it never loses. But I have to give God the whatever out. If he wants us to lose, it will lose. I figured out a trade that will not lose. And more importantly to that, to everybody's in the tier 3 signal room, they're going to get an unlimited number of those trades. Oh, it's impossible. No one can figure out a perfect Forex trade. No one ever has. It's been around for 200 years, by the way. Right? Oh, the computers weren't around. They used to do it by hand. As a matter of fact, they used to do it by hand all the way up to the 90s or something with runners. So yeah. Tracy Ann Davis, Sniper Rocks. Correct, Tracy Ann. Thank you for saying that. So listen to me. I have figured out a perfect trade that if God wants it to fail, other than that, it will not. I'm not going to be like the Titanic, say, oh, you can't sink me. Oh, no. God can make trade go the other direction, but there's no way. It's up to him to do that, because otherwise I'm using what the powers to be have probed against them. And I figured out a hack. I figured out a problem. I figured out whatever you want to call it on their end, and I'm going to exploit it. And it's 100% accurate trade, or 99.99%. Let God have whatever he wants to do. But it has been figured out. The Holy Grail trade is done and being coded by Keith as you speak. It will be available to you guys in about 3 months, 2 to 3 months. That'll be included free into the signal, tier 3 signals. Tier 1 and 2 will get one of those a month. Tier 3 will get unlimited, never miss signals in their signals. Listen to what I'm telling you. I'm giving you all a free upgrade that I could charge whatever I want to charge, quite frankly, for the signal. And I'm giving it to you guys for free. I'm going to do that to 1,000. Bree and I have discussed this. We're going to allow 1,000 members to get to tier 3 signal room. Right now it's limited to 50. And I think we're maxed, or we're near maxed. But we're going to eventually allow 1,000 of you. We're going to bring up 1,000 of you with us. So instead of keeping that signal to myself, instead of keeping the signal just with my dearest friends and family, right, the people closest to me, I will be giving it to you all as a free add-on to tier 3 signal room. Now, if I was all about the money, would I do that? If I was all about the money, would I even share the system with you guys? I didn't have to share this system with any of you. I could just trade myself and make all the money I want and never give it to any of you. Did I have to share the signal service with you? I didn't for 2 years. I am now. All I can tell you is the Holy Grail trade is real, and it will be coming to those of you in tier 3 signal room. I'll show you the results after they're done, after each one's called out when it's a Holy Grail signal. It'll never miss. Can't miss. I'm using the programming of what they did against them. So I found a glitch in what they do, and I'm exploiting it. Go fuck themselves. So there you go. Sevens, if you all understand that. You took this SPX 15 minutes, I'll stop at night. That's thank you, Kay. Thank you. You're right, Lazarus. Definitely thank for you too. And thank God most of all, by the way. Sevens, if you understand that. I don't care. I don't even want to see a 9 if you don't. But here it's coming. There'll be 1,000 of you risen up. 1,000 of you will be able to, whatever you trade, it's only going to work on NAS 100. But whatever amount of money you trade with is up to you. The signal will not miss, and you'll make money. Just saying. What's up, El Cabano? Okay. 47 of you watching. We got about what? 10 people to answer. I wish I could still build a shell around YouTube to figure out who the rest of you are. I'd ban each every one of you people. But anywho, that's what we have. So we offer a scanner room, $50 a month, sniper add-on, $150 a month, signal tiers, it's varied. And we do have affiliates. If you'd like to go ahead and get the word out there, you can go ahead and you get a kickback for that. Absolutely. If you're doing great with the system, please share it. If you're great with the system, which hundreds of you are, please go ahead and keep or get the sniper, the scanner, even the signal service if you want, because you should put your money where your beliefs are. If you believe in the system, instead of sitting there watching it, which one of our guys was watching it for a year and 3 months, go ahead and buy the system. I don't mind, there's usually a whole bunch of people on here that, take the signals for a couple weeks. I call out maybe a month, whatever. And then they buy the system. That's fair. But if you watch for 6 months, a year and 3 months, and you don't buy the system, you're a scammer. You have negative karma, and good luck with that. So I know there's probably at least 10, 15 of you on here scamming. And that's fine. You're going to do it anyways. Whatever. Live with yourselves. Good luck with that. Good luck with that. Okay? Just buy the system. All right. I've given you call outs. You saw testimony after testimonial. Thank you, Dr. You saw Bob Ooten make money in his sleep. I can't believe I'm saying that. Bob, I'm so smiling right now. You saw William make money. Those are their testimonies. You saw me make money. Bob Ooten made money in his sleep, and I can't believe he, A, don't no offense, Bob, but is making money. And B, he's making money while he sleeps. Let's take a look. He said it was on SPX. 15-minute sell. Let's take a look. Here it was right here. Look. And this is the time. So look, this is the first time it went down. This is the first time that came up. This is the first time that you had the pullback right here. This is the first time it formed the sell stop. You should take a picture of this. Thank you, Bob. Because this is exactly a sell stop, and it's to the blue line. Are you kidding me? There's SPX. Let's see what US 30 did. Yep, sell stop. See what NAS did. Sell stop to the blue line. They always do it. Where's my brother at? And there it is. Bob made the perfect call, and Bob got rewarded for making the perfect call. 1, price went from high to low. 2, the pink line arched up. 3, there's the blue line. What he's talking about, the pink cross, is this right here. Where the pink line crosses it, watch. It's so fucking cool. It crossed it, put in a sell stop, straight down to the blue line, it went and passed. So those of you who think that the red, green, red is the best, it's not. It's the 4th most important thing you can have on your charts. The number 1 thing is the sniper. The number 2 thing is the sniper. The number 3 thing is the sniper. The 4th thing is the actual sell stop itself. Nice, Lazarus. You'll get there, Lazarus. No worries, sir. You'll get there, buddy. Good morning, Jacob M. All right. I am finished with this live this morning. I am all done. I called out over a dozen different symbols. I gave you trade after trade to take. I specifically told you, let me show you right here. Hold on. What to do this morning, what to look for this morning. Eventually, you'll see these flip back around, but not yet. Does anybody have any questions or any more great news? Anyone have a problem with the system? Up, please speak up. I'm the Slim Shady, the real Slim Shady. Please speak up. I can't stand when there's whiny, complaining biatches, wussies. I don't know what to call them legally on this without getting into trouble. But I can't stand when people complain and then they say something on TikTok, but they won't come on the live. Remember the one clown? Oh, this is the worst decision of my life. It was, really. Then why don't you call in? And you know what the wussy did? Oh, I can't call in. No, thank you. No. If you have a problem, I'm here every day. If you have a problem, speak up. If you don't think the system works exactly as I'm showing you right now, call in. Call in, you professional traders who are going to try to judge me. You know how many professional traders called in to challenge me on my system? 0. You know why? Because my system works. You know why? Because their bullshit way of trading does. You want me to get me started on this? I haven't gone off on the fuckers in a long time, but I'm no longer on TikTok. So if you want me to shred the fucking system and all the quote unquote loser ass motherfucking professional traders out there, I'll shred each and every one of you into the ground. What pisses me off is some asshole judgment guy on TikTok who goes around telling, oh, that's a good trade. That's a bad trade. That's not how you trade. Oh, that is how you. Who the fuck is he? He's a fucking clown is who he is. I dare him to call in here at any time and come on here and tell me my system doesn't work. Come on, fucking jack off. Call in. Cover your ears of your kids right now. Go ahead. Call in. Where are you at? I've been on TikTok for 2 years. Fucktard. Don't you dare judge anybody else. Who are you to judge someone else? God will be judging you. You leave every one of those traders alone. They're doing what they can. You don't go around judging them. Stupid fucking ass. Oh, you have to have an exit strategy, and you have to have a plan, and you don't know what the fuck you're talking about. You're right if you're lucky 64% of the time, you fucking jack munch. And no, I didn't wake up on the wrong side of the bed. I can't stand bullies. Can't stand them. Can't stand them. Can't stand people judging other people. Can't stand it. Let those traders alone. They're on their own journey. They're doing the best they can. That fucking asshat is out there trying to judge them. Oh, well, he's doing it. He doesn't know what. I even blocked him at this point. I don't even know who the fuck he is. I just blocked him. I wouldn't even want to see that clown. Lazarus, they're all laughing. Amy Lou, this is why I love. Well, what's wrong, Amy Lou? I don't care. Everybody that they're out there teaching old-fashioned ways, thinking that it's accurate. Get out of here with your clown stuff. Get out of here. We say, oh, well, it's support and resistance, and if you have it flash past that twice, and it's forming a descending wedge, and it goes over here, and there's a Fibonacci pullback to the 63.2% line, then you're going to have, what the fuck are you talking? And if there is a hammer candle that forms, and if there is get out of here, and if there's this volume with the VWAP, with the line that crosses, really, Jack Pines, really? Don't teach people the old stuff. Don't worry. The safety trade will eventually rule. What's up, Malachi? You just missed a little rant, brother. And the perfect trades, by the way. So this is your perfect trade for a sell stop. We have a perfect trade for a buy stop. It's as simple as that. Hey, wait a second. Let's see what we shall see. Nope. Let me see US 30. Yes. Interesting. Why did not a signal flash? Says Sam IM. Because there wasn't a sell right there. Oh, interesting. Okay. Funniest thing I ever saw was people, the animals on the chart, and they say it's a cat and elephant because they really do that. I haven't seen that one, Jan. That is funny. I love that I found this first. I have no idea what it said. Not going to lie. I see videos online now of other trades teaching. I laugh. I know. It is the fun. funniest shit on earth, trader. That's when you know you got the system, when you understand it, because this is what they teach is archaic. What they teach is 99.9% wrong. I 100% promise you that my system is better than 1% win rate. Jiminy, a fucking monkey's right more than fucking 1% of the time. How about that? These fucking asshats. Oh, well. Get out of here with your bullshit. I can't take it. All right. I'm done. I'm out of here. I just cussed everybody out. On a scale from 1 to 10, if you give me anything less than a 10, please go ahead and explain why. Otherwise, your opinion doesn't matter. You have to give me a reason so I can improve. If it's a 10 plus, 10 or 1,000, let me know. If you're happy with the training today and this whole live session, giving you every call out I can, giving you every ability I can to teach you, literally went over a perfect buy stop, literally went over a perfect sell stop, please speak up now and let us know so that everyone can see this. If it is less than, I understand if it's less than 10, I get it. No one's perfect. But tell me how I can improve then, and we'll go from there. Ten. Thank you, Kevin. Thank you, Tracy Ann Davis. All right. Thank you, guys. God bless you all. Good luck trading this morning. I am out of here. Have a great day. I probably will be on early this afternoon, probably somewhere in the neighborhood of 5, 6, 7 o'clock maybe, as a guess. God bless you all till then. I hope you have a wonderful day. Make some great memories. I know everyone's got to work. I got to take out a shit ton of trash. So what? We get to do it while we're alive. We get to be healthy. Thank God that we're able to do everything that we can do. Even if it's shitty stuff, we still have to do it. God bless you all. Have a great day. See you all a little bit later. Bye-bye.